Hi everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations, and today I have the next design team haul package I want to share with you. I am super excited about this one. I'm super excited about all of them. I mean, let's be honest, but this one is really cool. It's called Voyage, and it is amazing paper from Country Craft Creations. So I'm going to go through and show you what I got for my design team package, and then I'm going to come back here real soon and do a tutorial. I have a book already designed, and so it shouldn't take too long to come back. I have got a great kind of suitcase idea that I am just stoked about. So we're going to go through what I've got, and then I will get busy doing the tutorials and get a project out for you. But let's go through what I did. So I'm going to have the 12 by 12 Bon Voyage pack, and I purchased the charms that go with it. They're super cute. This one has a map and a compass in it, and these have little luggage pieces in it. Just really adorable. So I did get those to go with the project. And then I have an idea. I'm going to be using these pretty creatively. The graphic 45 large tags. These are the big ones. These are like 8 3/4, I think, by 3 7/8. They're huge, and I love them, and they're really fun to work with. So I have an idea of what I'm going to be doing with that. So I did purchase a pack of those to incorporate into my design team package. This, I thought the colors, because of all of the beautiful blues and everything, I thought this matched perfectly. And, you know, because it's kind of a travel theme and everything, I thought the gears were kind of fun, you know. So I'm going to incorporate these into the package as well. These are Prima Mechanicals metal embellishments. So they're all metal, and they are grungy, and they're just gorgeous. I just think they're beautiful. So I'm going to incorporate this into the package. I did get black seam binding and brown twine, so I'm going to use that. And then I got the 8.5 by 11 black artisan cardstock. So let's go through the papers, because the papers are amazing. So again, this is a 12 by 12 paper pack. So you're going to get 3 sheets of each of the designs, plus you're going to get 2 sheets of cut aparts of each of the cut aparts. So you're going to get the little like embellishment type pieces, and then you're going to get journaling cards. So let's go through this pack. This is gorgeous. I saw this and I just have to have this. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. So let's go through. So I pulled out the sheets so I could show you what they are, but here's the individual kind of ephemera pieces. The cut aparts, they're really easy to cut out. I just, you know, so you can do it by hand. If you have a scan and cut or something like that, you can use that as well. But look at the images. Aren't they gorgeous? All the little travel things, and you guys know me and my Polaroids, so like I'm super excited about that. Wait till you see one of the papers that's in this collection. It's really cute. So these are backed with this beautiful paper. So you get 2 of these, so you could use one for the embellishments and then one for this page here. And it has a hot air balloon up here. I mean, look how absolutely stunning. Here's kind of a compass area over here. It's just, oh, and there's a ship. Look at that down there below. So beautiful. I just love this paper. Here is the page of the journal card type cut apart. So you have beautiful thing. You can do a travel checklist here. You have, so 4 by 6, 3 by 4, and then you have a couple strips here. And again, look at the camera. Polaroids. I love this. It's so pretty. On the back of this, you have this beautiful map that's done in greens. I just think that's absolutely gorgeous. The colors are just, I love them. They're so pretty. So beautiful passport page with stamps behind it and all that. Just love that. And you have more of the stamps, so you can kind of see the difference here. So no passports on the top of that. Here are airline ticket tags. Loving that. And then on the back, you have this beautiful city map. Gorgeous. I love the colors. This is so pretty. Now this one here, I don't even know how I'm going to cut that apart. Honestly, this needs to be like a layout, 12 by 12 layout. This needs to be framed and put on the wall. This is absolutely stunning with the waterfall. And then from where I'm at, I'm from Oregon. You guys, a lot of you know that, and we have Multnomah Falls, so I really thought that this was beautiful. That just kind of really screamed to me, you know, memories of being there. So I love that. It's just gorgeous. The back of that is this beautiful cloud pattern. It's just gorgeous, and I don't know if you can tell, but it looks like it's distressed. has like scratch marks, I guess you could call it, in there. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. We have a page here of all of our luggage. We have our bags, just beautiful. On the back of that, this beautiful topography type map. Ah, so pretty. And then here's my camera page. I love that, with all of my little cameras and my little my favorite Polaroid. I love Polaroids, and I love making faux Polaroids, so you guys know I'm going to be incorporating that into the package, that's for sure. On the back of that, we have this beautiful map page. Isn't that gorgeous? I just think that's gorgeous, and I love how there's just all the different kind of maps kind of, you know, woven into each other. Super pretty. Oh, this package is so pretty. And then look at this, all my Polaroid pictures with little tape pieces on them. Like, unbelievable how gorgeous this is. I just love this. Here's a map too. So a whole town map here with street names and all that. I just think that is really cute. Manhattan Bridge, Brooklyn Bridge. Look at that. Very cool. Very, very cool. I can see cutting some of these out and using these as embellishments as well. So yeah, we will see. I have 3 pages of that. Here's another one that is just screaming to be, you know, framed or used as a 12 by 12 format. So absolutely gorgeous. I love this. Love this 60s VW van. Isn't that great? Look at that. I just think it's so pretty. And look at that. I mean, seriously, come on. That is so pretty. This watercolor looking page. Oh, it's gorgeous. And last but not least, we have this collage page, passports, airplanes, all. Isn't that pretty? The colors are just gorgeous. And then here's a world map. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful papers. And I'm super excited that I get to play with these. So that is my design team package for August for Country Craft Creations. These things are available, and I will put links down below for all of the pieces that I did get in my design team package, including the artisan cardstock. You all have to get artisan cardstock. This is available, and I think you're going to love it. So go to Country Craft Creations at countrycraftcreations.com. They have this and so many other things. I mean, I can't, I wish I could, but I can't have them all. But I'm working on it slowly but surely. I'm getting them all. So there you go. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you soon with more tutorials. Stay crafty. Bye-bye.